Be off until Monday too.
Probably. Say hello to the world.
Hello world.
Tell them all about what you've been doing.
I've been looking out my window at the workers over on the roof next door that they're fixing, part of the hospital. They're fixing the roof. And it was hot yesterday, and I was wondering when the workers were going to get to take off their shirts. But I never did see it.
Darn it.
Darn it. Yeah.
I don't know that they're allowed to anymore.
Maybe not.
Can you still whistle?
No.
I was going to say you could probably have whistled out this window. Okay. Anything else you want to say to the world?
Oh, no, I wouldn't wish this on anybody. Don't ever bother with knee surgery.
Yeah, let's have a look. Well, I can't. She's
until
got,
they get it.
look at this bruising down here on her leg and how swollen it is. Poor sweet thing. Kisses and hugs.
Hello.